we've got a surprise for you, yeah! Yeah, we got a surprise for you. Happy Easter, baby! Look at all that wonderful stuff! Where do you start? Oh, that's all yours, huh?
What's in there for you?
Show stuff to Mommy! Oh, you dropped something. Is it a book? Yeah? Oh, what's in your book? What else do you got, Chubbers? Let Mommy help you. Emily, look at Mommy! Or take them off. That's cool. She's so fixated on one thing. Go through the rest of your stuff, kid. Look. Look. How cool, huh? More necklaces. Yeah. Cool beans. What else do you got? Oh, you don't care about that one. Well, look, here's a flower. Oonga boop. Oonga boop. And then you got another flower on your basket.
Probably should have taken a picture of the basket before letting her rip it apart.
I did. Yeah, see, I'm good. Emily, can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Emily, say bye-bye. Emily, say bye-bye. Alright, happy Easter, baby.